Coach Pinky Bobbies, you better double team me, because if not, I'm just going to score and score and score.
Velasco handoff to Dean. He's guarded by Mark Pingris. Brandon Dean. Now double team. Shot clock winding down. 3 seconds. Camagno puts it up and short. McCaskill for the rebound. Here comes Lordy Tugade. Lordy, will he go all the way? Napatid. Well, he lost his footing.
And they'll say last touch Tugade.
In the meantime, meron tayong timeout. Still, ayaw maghiwalay itong dalawang teams na ito. 20 all with 2:23 here in the first.
Join the Mighty Bonding Text promo and get a chance to win a Honda CR-V and other prizes. Just buy Mighty Bond 3 grams with a new non-clog bin-in cap. Scratch hologram sticker and text code to 2966. Join now!
After one game, syempre makakapano na yung teammate niya. He's only been out here for 3 days. This is like his 4th day out here, so it's an adjustment period. Ang hirap mag-prepare na hindi mo alam yung kalaban mo. He's got quickness, parang tough ang dating. We're still trying to figure out his strengths and his weaknesses. It's going to take some time.
In the meantime, let's turn you over to Dominic Gui.
Well, thank you, Benji. Itong si Brandon Dean, alam ng buong Coca-Cola Tigers na maganda pinapakita niya sa ensayo. Kaya naman ganado-ganad sila. But after that woeful performance in Game 1, he only scored 8 points, had 3 out of 11 from the field, though he had 6 assists and 3 steals. Pero sabi niya, after that game, he apologized to the entire team at sabi niya, he will play much better in today's game, be more aggressive. Hindi pa natin siya nakikita going to the basket, but he's had 3 assists. So tignan natin, he needs to inspire the Coca-Cola Tigers to be able to come back from this 0-1 deficit. Benji?
Yes, isa yan sa mga inantabayanan nga natin ang mangyari rito para sa Coca-Cola Tigers. At of course, inantabayanan din natin rito kung makakatabla nga ang Coca-Cola dito sa serye na ito. 2 minutes and 18 remaining sa ating first quarter. Asi Taulava has it. Jason Dixon is back on the floor para sa Tigers. Ron J. Buenafe seeing action for the first time. And Asi could be called for the offensive foul. No! It's a foul laban kay Danny Ildefonso. Nagulat din siya ron.
A lot of second unit players now on the floor. At si Ildefonso showing a lot of intensity very early in this game. Kakapasok lang niya and he'll be matched up against Taulava. Mike Cortez also playing for the first time. He had 18 points in game number 1.
These are players who also came off the bench back in game 1 para kay Coach Sean Parkinson. Ron J. Buenafe with a TM press.
His first shot. A lot of confidence behind that shot. Dalawa yun o tatlo?
Tatlo. 23-20 na yun nasa scoreboard natin eh.
By the way, si Buenafe had 15 points in game 1.
Ildefonso off the mark with that shot. Buenafe. Asi Taulava and Ildefonso is getting to be physical between these two big guys. At ang bola nawala sa mga kamay ni Asi Taulava. They turn it over.
But good intention on the part of Coca-Cola. They want to have 2 big players playing the low post. So to keep Magnolia's defense guessing, sino ba ang dedepensahan nila? Who will they focus defensively on? Asi o si Jason Dixon?
McCaskill outside of Dondon Ontiveros. Turnaround jumper won't go. Dixon quickly to Ron J. Buenafe. Pero napalakas masyado yung pasa na yun. He lost it. Another turnover. Is it a turnover? No. It will stay para rito sa panig ng Coca-Cola Tigers. Last touch ang Magnolia.
Alam mo, kanina lamang, no? Pinapag-usapan natin si Brandon Dean. He's not on the floor right now. He is still scoreless. And from that report of Dominic, he did mention that hindi pa masyadong agresibo si Brandon Dean in this game. Buti pa nga si Dima unahan, ano? Penetrating and going strong to the hole.
Naka-attempt na.
Oo.
49 seconds remaining starting first quarter. Ron J. Buenafe trying to shake up Mark Pingris. He fires from long distance. Umalog lumabas. And here comes Magnolia. Jonas Villanueva. Now to Mike Cortez. Cortez to Danny I. Top of the key jumper is in. Ildefonso had 13 back in game 1. Played for 25 minutes. Getting his first 2 here in game 2. Isa lamang ang lamang ng Coca-Cola. Andre Buenafe, laban kay Jonas Villanueva. Di maunahan, 5-second shot clock here. Para sa Coca-Cola, di maunahan, force the shot, air ball. Rebound McCaskill. Last shot time, pero 4 seconds here. Michael, tas wala nang babaan for Pingris. Not a big deal. Defonso hindi pa rin pumasok. 2 chances to score here para sa Magnolia. Naghihinayang sa mga pagkakataon, golden opportunity. But nevertheless, still a close ball game at the end of the first period. Makikita natin si Jason Dixon. He is concentrating on his offense. He'd better. Dahil kung hindi, goodbye na sa Coca-Cola. But it's just the first quarter. Natapos yan with Coca-Cola slightly ahead just by 1, 23-22.